Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to bring old black and white photos back to life by turning them into full color using Google Gemini's brand new Nano Banana AI tool. It's super quick, easy and completely free. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Gemini in your browser and then make sure you are logged in with your Google account. And then once you're inside, just head over to the tools icon, just tap on it and then now choose create images, which is powered by Nano Banana. Just tap on it. This is Google's newest AI feature that lets you edit and transform photo instantly just by writing prompts. Next, just upload your black and white photo. For this tutorial, I'm using an old picture of a classic car. Just tap on plus button and then upload files. And here's the fun part. In the text box or prompt box, write a simple prompt telling Gemini what you want. For example, like this. Like this, and then just tap on generate. And okay, like this, and that's it. In just a few seconds, Gemini transform your black and white photo into a vibrant colored masterpiece like this. And if you wanna change the color into another color, just type a prompt again to change the color. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.